For today's class, we worked on the booklet for Moving Day, and we worked on page 6, comprehension questions. Most students should be finished with this already, but if you want to use it as a review, you can use it as review, and if you needed help, you can use this as a help. Question number 1, what is the title of the story? What are we talking about? We're talking about the title of the story. So that is what you want to copy right here. First letter should be capital, so capital T. The title of the story. And then you have this hint. What is, then you would say the story, the title is. The title is Moving Day. Make sure both are capitalized, M and D. Moving Day. Period. Second question, why does the crab want to move to a new shell? Who are we talking about? We're talking about the crab. So you would answer the crab. One thing you need to be careful about this is I want, you want, sorry, he or she or it wants. So you would answer the crab wants, and then keep copying. To move. To move to a new shell. When you have the question why, you answer with because. And you would put that right here. Because. And answers we came up in class because the shell was too tight or the shell was too old. You can choose whichever one you want. The shell was too small. Whichever one, tight or small or old. Finish it with a period. Number 3, what is wrong with the fourth shell? What are we talking about? We're talking about the fourth shell, so you would copy that here. Capital T, because it's the beginning of the sentence. The fourth shell. Hint is right here. What is wrong with the fourth shell? The fourth shell, oops, you would use is. Answer was too wide. Finish with a period. Number 4, what are 6 of the adjectives in the story? Now in the story there are many adjectives, so you just need to choose 6 out of them. For that, to start the sentence, we're talking about 6 of the adjectives. You would say 6 of the adjectives in this story for this one, there are many, so you need to say are instead of is. They're plural. 6 of the adjectives in this story are, and you would list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answers can be different things, but I'll just list 6. Big, Small, long, and fancy. We learned about listing and the rules for that, and that's part of this. That's today's homework, so I'll explain that later. Okay. Now he went and found a lot of shells, but which one was the best? What shell is the best? The last one was the best, so you can say the last shell is the best. You can also say the best shell is the last shell, but this is the answer we came up in class. If you don't understand, make sure you let me know and I'll help you.